Vis-a-Thon is a program designed to promote visualization as an integral facet of research methodology and provide opportunities for participants to experiment with new and innovative ways to create and use visual imagery and language. The Vis-a-Thon is separated into two parts, the Visualization Intensive and the Vis-a-Thon Weekend. The Visualization Intensive is a day-long seminar aimed at increasing the visual literacy of participants through workshops, breakout sessions, and lectures. Participants work directly with RISD faculty to develop proposals for a visualization project to be created during the Vis-a-Thon weekend. Participants were asked to create as many proposals as possible. Each proposal had to fit on one side of a 3x5 note card. At the end of the day, proposals were reviewed by faculty and facilitators, and 7 projects were selected to move on to the Vis-a-Thon weekend.